Heidi, hi, all you beautiful souls. Have you noticed that everybody seems to be hyped up about something these days? I have. I tend to have a unique outlook when asked for my opinion. I'm Heidi, and this is Heidi's Hype. Today's hype is One of a Kind series, episode 3 of 6. Nature is awesome. The One of a Kind series is dedicated to everything wholesome, homemade, open-minded, and natural. And what could be more one of a kind than Mother Nature herself? Nature. It's so beautiful and grand. It's no wonder everyone wants to save the environment and soak in her beauty. How many of us really appreciate it? Like a best friend, she's always has our back. Not only in the fertile soils used for agriculture, but nature even serves up food you can forage in the wild. Mother Nature is always prepared to heal, from cleaning the air with the breath of trees to providing holistic remedies growing wild in the fields. Push come to shove, Mother Nature even provides for survival when man or she mixes in chaos. With shelter in her crevices, the supplies to build basic or more long-term shelters. If you look carefully, you can find people communicating. Everything from direction to the time of day. Always ready to share her grandeur. From mountains so high to deep waters not yet explored, and the serene nooks where we find meditative solace. Nature gives us a place to build memories, preserves history for generations to recall, and gives us an example of surviving through hard times. So remember, when you're having fun, hiking, fishing, harvesting, enjoying warmth and fun from her flora, to keep her safe by conserving, giving her back the nutrients we waste, and rejuvenating her resources. Thank you, Mother Nature. Let's give her a hug. She truly is one of a kind. Click that subscribe button and join in the conversation. Send me your one-of-a-kind experiences with nature, and I'll be sure to add it in my next video. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you know when those videos come up. Thank you for watching my video today, and have yourself a one-of-a-kind day.